So how do you open the Apple Watch belt? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So by the belt, we are referring to the strap or band, whatever you want to call it, but it's the mechanism to fasten the Apple Watch on your wrist, right? And of course, there might be many different types, but the way you connect it to the Apple Watch is the same. So in order to disconnect it, you flip the Apple Watch and you need to locate a little small button next to both connections of the Apple Watch belt, right? So you need to press it with your fingernail because it's very small. Just make sure you press it, actually hold down on it, and this will allow you to slide out the one side of the band like that. It doesn't matter which direction you go in, just make sure you slide it out fully, and that's how you can disconnect it. You will then repeat the very same thing on the other side as well. So you again hold down or press the button and slide out the other side of the the band like this, and it will basically just slide out like this, leaving you only with the body, so you can insert another Apple Watch belt or band or whatever, or you can just change the positions of the one, whatever you want to do, but this is how you can do this. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. It should be the exact same process no matter which series or which Apple Watch model you have. So I hope it worked. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one.